Miso Carbonara, part 3. Last time I made this dish, it turned out pretty good, but there were a couple points of improvement. Namely, it was too thin, I added too much pasta water, and also it could have used a little bit more acidity, a little bit more lemon juice. And honestly, even more acidity. Let's see if more lemon juice helps. And also, the pork could have been crispier. So those are the 3 things that I want to emphasize for today. Okay, let's start with vegetable prep. Onion. We're adding shallots today, because why not? And also, I feel like you can't go wrong with a shallot. Let's use about half. Oh my god, my eyes are killing me. Lastly, garlic. Enoki mushrooms today to switch it up. And lastly, scallions. Like last time, we're gonna slice them lengthwise. And now onto the glaze. Start off with soy sauce, mirin, sake, and of course, miso. Okay, there we go. Today we have pork gel from H Mart. We're gonna salt these. Okay, these are done. Let's cook. And we're gonna start with the pasta water and undersalt it. Into the same pan. We're gonna turn the heat back on. So shallots and garlic. And then we're gonna add our onions and mushrooms as well. Needs a little bit more olive oil. Let that cook. I'm gonna let all the vegetables basically take the flavor from all the miso. I'm actually gonna do a dash of sake here to deglaze. Okay, that's looking pretty good. All right, let's grate some cheese. Because I'm making double the portion, I'm gonna grate double the Parmigiano. Okay, that's 60 grams of Parmigiano, 1 egg, black pepper, more miso, and a decent amount of lemon juice. Okay, and that's done. Pasta goes in. Let's see if I can do this. Hey, not bad, not bad. Let's put this back on the heat. Pasta's done. We're gonna temper the eggs with a little bit of pasta water. I'm gonna add some pasta water to this. Get that all incorporated. Make sure to get all the size of the pan. Let's do a little taste. Yep, super lemony. Think we're good to go. Let's plate it up. and turn this way. Okay. Okay, let's taste. That's really good. So remember, the three things that we want to focus on was the runniness of the sauce, the acidity, and the crispiness of the pork. As you can see, the sauce isn't runny. I decreased the amount of pasta water that we used, and that did the trick. For the acidity, I added more lemon juice throughout the process, even at the end, especially towards the end. And that really shines through. And number three, the crispiness of the pork. I think this is as crispy as we're gonna get it, unless I don't know, dry brine the pork overnight, but I'm not gonna do that. And when you bite into it, there's the textural difference that I was looking for. Flavor-wise, yeah, it's cheesy, but it's also very deep, like my previous versions. It's got like the miso funk. The mushrooms are not very, the mushrooms aren't very prominent. So maybe next time I would use the shimeji mushrooms that I was using before. These enoki mushrooms they're fine, but they don't really add anything. But this is good. I wouldn't be mad if I got served this at a restaurant. And that's usually my gauge. That's delicious. So that was part 3. I don't know if there's gonna be a part 4 because I don't know what else I can do to improve, but if anyone has any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. The only change I can think of is to use shimeji mushrooms. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna finish the rest of this pasta.